In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Gmail or Outlook with Pipedrive in just 5 minutes. Whether you're trying to integrate your email for efficient communication or streamline your workflow, this step-by-step guide will help you seamlessly connect your accounts. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to pipedrive.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see an option to log in. Click on that login button, which will prompt you to enter your credentials. In the login window, simply type in your email address and password associated with your Pipedrive account. Make sure your details are correct to avoid any issues logging in. Once you've filled in your information, go ahead and click on the login button. Now that you've successfully logged into your Pipedrive account, it's time to navigate to the next step, which involves accessing the Pipeline Deals section. Look for this section on your dashboard, as it's where we'll begin our setup for syncing your email account. In the Pipeline to Deals area, locate and click on your account icon. This icon is typically situated at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking it will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Personal Preferences. This is where you can manage the integration settings for your account. Next, in the Personal Preferences menu, you'll need to click on Email Sync. This tab will direct you to the configuration page dedicated to syncing your email with Pipedrive. This is an important step to ensure your emails get linked smoothly with the CRM. Within the email sync section, you'll see an option labeled Connect Email Account. Click on it. This will begin the process of linking either your Gmail or Outlook account to Pipedrive. Depending on the email service you use, an appropriate option should appear for you to proceed. For Gmail users, upon clicking the Connect Email Account button, you'll see a list of your email addresses associated with Google. Select the email you intend to sync by clicking on it. This selection will initiate a secure connection between your Gmail account and Pipedrive. Once you've chosen your email, click on the Continue button. This action will authorize Pipedrive's access to your Gmail account, allowing for smooth synchronization of emails and use of necessary features. Finally, after everything is set, click on the Sync button to complete the integration process. This final step will ensure that your emails are now connected and your communication within Pipedrive will be synced efficiently. And there you have it, you've successfully synced your Gmail or Outlook with Pipedrive. This setup should greatly enhance